So y'all, we're just gonna make a simple grapevine, you know, just kind of hang out with y'all. Y'all, it's pretty simple. I have 2 greenery sprays and 4 turquoise 60919. Okay, so we're gonna start off making our bow. Okay, so let's see. We'll do a 16-inch tail first. And then 2 10-inch loops. When I say 10-inch, so from my left hand to my right hand, that's how my loops are measured. Bring it back to the back, pinch, and twist. Y'all, it's really important that you do that. Twist, well, I mean, I don't know if it's really important on this one. This burlap ribbon is the same on both sides, so it's really not that different. So we did 10-inch, now we're going to do 11-inch. And we're going to do 4 11-inch, y'all. I know you can't see my face, but from my left hand to my right hand, where I pinched it right there, that's 11 inches. So we're going to do from 15 to 26, 11 inches. And I need to do 4 of those. So when I say pinch and twist, I'm holding that pinch and then I'm twisting it back. I know for a lot of people, hand bows aren't their thing and they love doing the easy bow maker. You can definitely do this on the easy bow maker. You're going to start from the back to front. I do front to back. Just a nice neutral colored ribbon is what I love. And I love burlap. Yo, burlap I don't think is ever going to go out of style. And I buy my burlap ribbon in bulk. But if you can, y'all, that's going to give you the most bang for your buck. So these 2 are 10 inches. These 4 are 11 inches. And now we're going to go to 12 inches. It needs to come down. So back to the ribbon, like I buy that 24 roll box, which is there's a 2.5 inch and a 1.5 inch. I bought both at the same time, and I'm going to tell y'all, I have not had to reorder my 2.5 inch. I've had to reorder my 1.5 inch though. So just a really pretty, simple bow. So I'm a one-of-a-kind kind of person, but I know people out there that make tons of multiples. Damon, a prime example. He might not make multiple wreaths, but he makes multiple door hangers, and he sells them like hotcakes. So I'm the person that I don't like to have the same thing as my neighbor, and then there are those people that I want to have the same thing as my neighbor. Okay, so we're just going to glue in our stem here, and I'm giving it just a little bit of a curve, kind of following the natural curve of that grapevine. You know, if you're new here, y'all, I am Coach Jordan. I'm one of the creative coaches inside the creative coaching group. So I put one in, and now we're going to put in another. And I haven't added my bow yet. So we're just fluffing this out. Y'all, that's one thing about 60919. When it's in that package, it's like, boring. But the minute you take it out of that package and you really start fluffing out all of those stems and pieces, you know, it really comes to life. Like, look how boring that looks in that package, y'all. So we're really only going to use 4 of these. I think if you just type in 60919, I think they pop up on Deco. So, y'all, look how crazy simple that's going to look and pretty that is. But y'all, look how pretty that looks. Like, yes, please. But really simple bow, y'all. I mean, nothing wild and crazy. So, y'all, look how simple that is. But y'all, just 2 stems of greenery, 4 60919s. Y'all know 60919 comes in an assortment of colors. And just a burlap bow, y'all. Look how crazy simple that is. And a 14-inch grapevine.